Ito yung isa sa mga church dito sa Amsterdam. Sa Catholic Church, I guess, is St Francis. But we have a chance we have a free guided tour from volunteers, and she explained inside the church, and this is how it looks like, and then this one is here, and we have a guided tour. Hi, can I take a video?
You can get in.
Yeah, I already did. Yes, I already did. All right, thank you so much. You have some wants to guide us inside, but we already did. Yeah, this is how it looks outside the church, and it's beautiful inside, like an antique church, and some sculpture inside the church. Maybe one of these days I'll publish it. Can we take video?
Yeah, sure.
What's the name of the church again?
The Krijtberg.
Krijtberg. It's like a
It's
Catholic.
yes, it's Catholic. The name is linked to a type of rock from England.
From England, not a Roman Catholic.
Oh yeah,
Still
but
Roman.
the name of this kind of rock is from England
From
because
England.
the constructors wanted so. But this is a Catholic church.
And there's something like a special we can do, or like an image, or rock, or
What?
just, is there a special image here that you can go or see? Just the
Let's say that everything is special, but if you come closer, you see that there are other windows. If you come here,
Okay. Can I include you in the video?
Yeah,
Okay,
no problem.
All right. So we have a tour guide to give us a tour right here. So we are inside church here, like a special church here in.
and there, and the chapel inside, there are this window, like this light, and it's wonderful. And every light in here is completely natural from the outside.
From outside, right?
And this is made with a really complicated technique because all the tiny pieces of glass are stuck together, and it's like they're carrying each other's weight. And they
Okay.
are different in form and color, and it's a beautiful metaphor because as humanity are all different in colors and shape, and if we help each other, if we carry each other's weight, we can create a masterpiece, but we can only see it through God's light.
Okay. Is there like architect like Michelangelo, or
No, but
who built this church, or who make this church
this church
possible?
was made by Netherlands architect, so not very well known.
Not very well known.
But you can find, for example, when entering there is the party. So much. It's not
Yes, sir.
it's very good.
Yes,
Not
yes, yes.
Michelangelo's party, but you can see differences. There are many things in this church that are not from the 1883 when it was built. They are from a previous period because this church already existed, but it was the building next door, and it was hidden because Catholic Christians had to hide their faith for a period. You see a party just like Michelangelo's one, but it's different.
Okay.
I think it's a beautiful image.
Oh yeah,
because you
yeah,
see,
yes.
Mary that he's holding Jesus
Okay.
after he died, and she's holding him just like a baby. It's his son. It's her son, and it shows how cruel it is to see your son die in front of your eyes.
Yeah, true.
So it makes us really feel what Mary was feeling at that moment.
Yeah, but the sculptor or the one who made this is very expert because of the carvings. Are they made of cement or porcelain?
This is not porcelain.
Not porcelain.
No.
Like a special cement or
No,
stone or something.
It's stone.
Stone. Yeah,
Stone.
stone.
Stone that most of teachers.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when was this church was built?
It was built, like you say now, in 1883.
1883.
So,
More than 100 years, right?
yeah. So it's really old.
Very old. It's still good.
And they picked the style, the Neo-Gothic style. You see how high the walls go.
Yeah.
You also probably saw it from outside, how it stands up, because it can represent a way to come closer to God.
Yes.
Also, when you entered, you might have feel like attracted to the altar, like you felt the need to come closer.
True.
And because this is like a path to follow, like the path of life, of faith. And
Yeah. But there's like a service or mass here. That like a
there's
priest?
Mass, in the evening.
In the evening?
Every day at 7.
Oh, okay.
So if you want, you can take part.
Then just once a day. Only in the evening.
Yeah, but it depends if there's some
Special.
Maybe some exceptions. And on Tuesday it's a different timetable. And also on Saturday there's the Mass in English. Also every day we do it in English as volunteers with the priests with us. And on Sunday it is in the local language.
Okay.
So there are many masses.
Yeah, but it's open to everybody.
Yeah, in the afternoon we open it to give free guides,
Right, okay.
and then we celebrate the mass.
Oh, nice. And thank you very much for taking a time. And we have our what's your name?
Benedict.
Benedict. Nice meeting you, Benedict. Okay.
Thank you.